In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mass delete records in Salesforce. Before we dive in, a quick note. Mass deletion is powerful and permanent after your recycle bin window, so make sure you truly want these records gone. If you can, take a quick backup or run a report so you have a snapshot of what you're removing, and ensure your profile or permission set allows deletions for the objects you plan to clean up. Start by going to the gear icon in the top right corner of Salesforce and choose the option to open Advanced Setup. In many orgs, this is simply called Setup, and it takes you to the administrative area where you can search for tools and configuration options. Once you're in Setup, use the search bar on the left to find Mass Delete Records. Click that option to open the Mass Delete tools. You'll see a set of choices for the types of data you can remove in bulk, such as accounts, leads, activities, contacts, and more. Pick the category that matches what you want to clean up. As a tip, think about related data before you choose. For example, deleting accounts can affect related contacts and activities, and removing leads or contacts can impact campaigns and reporting. If you're unsure, confirm with your team how related records are handled in your org. After you select the data type, you'll be prompted to define the criteria for which records should be deleted. Use filters that are as specific as possible, like a particular record owner, a date range, a status, or any other field that reliably identifies the records you no longer need. The more precise you are here, the safer your cleanup will be. Run the search to preview the results and review the list carefully. If you see records that should be kept, adjust your criteria and search again until you're confident the results match your intent. When the results look right, select the records you want to remove and click Delete. You may be asked to confirm. Once confirmed, Salesforce will delete those records. In most cases, they'll move to the recycle bin for a limited time, so you can restore them if you catch a mistake quickly. After that retention period, they're permanently removed. And that's all it takes. Open Advanced Setup, search for Mass Delete Records, choose your data type, filter carefully, review, and delete. Take a moment to double-check your criteria, and consider testing on a small set first to build confidence. Thanks for watching, and happy cleaning.